Welcome to today's video. My name is Agent Double Sonic, and in this video we're going to draw Robot Jones. Let's go ahead and get started. And if you don't know who Robot Jones is, there's going to be a link in the description box below. Educate yourselves, my friends. Alright, let's get started. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, okay, alright, bet, super bet. Y'all, you can't tell me that this is not the best 60-second sketch I've done. Oh my goodness. I'm even excited about this one. Oh my god. Yes, sir! Okay, to this date, this Robot Jones is the best 60-second sketch I have done in this entire thing. Like, let me look back at it. You know what? Yeah, easily my best 60-second sketch. Alright, I'm gushing over this right now, but peace, love, and hot sauce, and until next time, thanks for watching.